Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials: a FIDO2 or U2F security key and an up-to-date Discord client. Sign into the account you want to protect. Make sure two-factor authentication is already enabled using an authenticator app so Discord allows hardware keys. Once logged in, open user settings and navigate to My Account. This step ensures Discord will prompt to add a hardware method. Make sure you have access to backup codes in case the key is lost before continuing. Next, you register the key. In My Account, select Add a security key under two-factor options. Discord will prompt you to insert or tap the key, touch the metal contact, or tap with NFC when the LED blinks. The browser or app performs a secure FIDO2 handshake, exchanging cryptographic keys so Discord never stores your private key. Name the key plainly, like Home USB-C, and repeat the process to register a second key for backup. This prevents lockout if one key is lost. Finally, test the setup. Log out and sign in to confirm Discord prompts for the security key. If it works, tidy up by removing old or unknown keys and adding keys to your mobile device if supported. Make sure you store backup codes in a password manager. If something goes wrong, a common quick fix is switching ports or using a USB-C adapter, testing NFC on a different device, and re-registering the key. These steps resolve most recognition and compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.